News coming in. Punjab Congress minister and MPs went to Khanna Mandi in Ludhiana to inspect wheat procurement, but broke all the social distancing norms. Let's also remember that Punjab is one of the states that is very strongly dealing with COVID-19 at this point, and the Chief Minister himself, who was in favor of extending the lockdown while we were in the first phase. And while we take a look at these pictures of how Punjab Congress minister and MPs went around Khanna Mandi in Ludhiana, where they were actually on the ground to inspect wheat procurement, but social distancing norms that were far from being followed. Amandeep, my colleague, joining us live on this broadcast. Amandeep, firstly, we continue to stay with these pictures. Any answers, any explanation that has come in on why social distancing was not followed? Because clearly there can be no justification to this.
No, exactly. This is the Cabinet Minister Bharat Bhushan Ashu and Congress MP from Fatehgarh Sahib, Dr. Amar Singh, both were seen very clearly in those pictures that how they are crushing down the social distancing norm and visiting the mandi. And no such statement has just come up from the government side that either they are actually break down the law of the social distancing, and any justification, no such comment has been came down so far. And if I tell you the details, this is the Khanna Mandi. They are visiting this mandi just to maintain the norms of social distancing, just because Punjab government has urged the farmers and issued the passes to visit such mandis so that they can avoid the crowd, they can maintain the social distancing, they can actually should not gather at one point in time. That's why they visited the mandi. But while visiting, they break all the laws, they break all the norms of social distancing. They forget that even the Punjab is in a very serious note taking this war against the COVID-19, and Punjab was the second state in this entire nation who extended the lockdown, taking the note of this COVID-19 cases of every day. And even Chief Minister is also urging the people to maintain the social distancing. But this minister, Bharat Bhushan Ashu, have just forget everything while his visit. There are a group of people along that is very clearly visible in the pictures, how the group of people is visiting in the mandi and without any social distancing. This can be done by one or two officers also, but still minister wants to visit himself. Even the MP also accompanied him, and just for no reason it can be done. Suresha, it can be done by the few officers, mandi officers that has been deputed in the entire Punjab. So visiting the minister, though he is holding the Department of Food and Civil Supplies, but it is not necessary to visit in the mandi. But if it is he is visiting the mandi, he should have maintained the social distancing and kept this in mind, that he is the one who is guiding to the people, who asking the farmers not to gather at one place, maintain the social distancing, just because urgency is still there, lockdown is still prevails in the Punjab, and even the curfew situation still prevails. But this minister reveals that he is so irresponsible and visiting the mandis in such a group of people without any kind of social distancing. Yes, Suresha.
All right, Amandeep, thank you.